Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Yes, 1,000,000% increase in Shibadoge is more possible. Of course, it is more possible, even more, because this is the next Shiba Inu. When you go to their site, they'll say if you miss out on Shiba Inu, if you miss out on Dogecoin, don't miss out on Shibadoge coin. Yeah, anything can happen. Remember, this coin since the beginning of this year have really done well. So many people are pumping money into this coin. Even Wells last year also had interest on Shibadoge. And I believe that yes, the only thing they need right now is the burning of Shibadoge and is the listing of Shibadoge. If Shibadoge can hit over 15 exchanges, including Binance, including Kraken, including Kucoin, including Get.io, Crypto.com. If these exchanges list Shibadoge coin before the end of 2025, don't be surprised to see that Shibadoge have hit 1,000,000% increase in price. And also the burning of Shibadoge coin. If Shibadoge can burn, at least destroy 95% of Shibadoge coin, then it will be more easier for Shibadoge to hit such number of price. I'm talking about 1,000,000%. This is a huge profit. Shibadoge already making some people millionaires. And let me tell you one thing, it is much possible. This coin have 16 zeros. And the only thing they need right now is when these exchanges comes in for Shibadoge. When these exchanges list Shibadoge, and mind you, the listing have already started. It was just one exchange. I remember when I be doing videos about Shibadoge, it was just one, Uniswap V2. Today we have almost 7 exchanges that have listed Shibadoge, including L-Bank, including Hotbit, including Bitmart, including top exchanges. I'm happy to see Shibadoge. Our next target right now is Get.io and Crypto.com. And don't be surprised to see more surprises coming up. Don't be surprised to see Kucoin. Don't be surprised to see exchanges like Binance. Binance already added it on their watch list. Even Coinbase have also added Shibadoge on their watch list. So we need more top exchanges to come and partner to list Shibadoge. Over 15 new top exchanges coming in for Shibadoge. You know what that means? It means Shibadoge pump. It means Shibadoge is going to the moon. And when this comes with the burning of Shibadoge coin, definitely Shibadoge will create a lot of millionaires out there. We are hoping, and I love the project they have. I love their roadmaps. They are really doing their best to make sure they achieve every of their roadmaps. Let's hope for the best, and let's hope that Shibadoge will continue gradually to increase before the end of 2025. I want to see 1,000,000%. Let's hope for the best, and I believe anything is possible. But remember, this is on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.